Today we have the 2021 Fiat Ducato. This vehicle has done just over 4,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our fridge, sink, cooker and oven just below. Behind we have our bathroom. In here we can find our toilet and our shower just above. Behind me is our double bed with the TV to my left. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as our living area. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. And on our screen we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, information and menu.